Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using Salesflare. Salesflare is a CRM platform found at salesflare.com. It's designed to automate your sales processes so you can focus less on data entry and more on closing deals. One of its key selling points is its ability to automatically pull information from various sources like email, social media, and company websites, effectively building detailed profiles for your leads and contacts. This automation extends to other areas as well, including scheduling follow-ups and providing timely reminders. Imagine having a system that tracks every interaction you have with a potential customer. Salesflare aims to be that system. It logs emails, phone calls, meetings, and even website visits, providing a comprehensive overview of each customer's journey. This allows sales teams to understand their leads better and tailor their approach for maximum effectiveness. The platform is also known for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for those less tech-savvy. Another appealing aspect of Salesflare is its integration capabilities. It seamlessly connects with popular email clients, calendars, and other business tools, creating a unified workflow. This eliminates the need to constantly switch between different applications, saving you valuable time and streamlining your sales operations. This level of integration ensures that all your customer data is centralized and readily accessible. For those who rely heavily on email communication, Salesflare offers email tracking features, providing insights into when emails are opened and links are clicked. This knowledge empowers sales teams to follow up at the opportune moment, increasing the chances of converting leads into paying customers. Salesflare essentially acts as your intelligent sales assistant, constantly working behind the scenes to optimize your sales performance. Considering the competitive landscape of today's market, leveraging tools like Salesflare can provide a significant advantage. By automating mundane tasks and offering valuable insights, Salesflare allows you to focus your energy on building relationships and closing deals, ultimately driving revenue growth. Check it out via the link in the description and see if it's the right fit for your sales needs.